Well, yay!
Wow.
Wow.
Freya. Freya. That's your new kitchen.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Mommy.
That's your cake. Can you cook a food for me?
Son.
Wow, that's a big kitchen. Do you want to cook dinner? Wash your hands. There's a tea towel there.
Oh, wow,
Good girl. Which one do you like? Pink or yellow?
yeah.
Yellow.
Oh, no, it's so good.
It's a sauce.
Well, yay!
Do you like it, Freya? Do you like it?
There was three. Some there was three. There was so.
What's inside? Your air fryer.
Oh wow! It's that okay. It's that can.
You're gonna put the air fryer inside
Okay.
the oven. Can you turn that on?
Push.
We have to wait. Beep! It's ready.
It's ready.
Beep! Beep! Now you wait. It's ready. Oh, wow.
Hot, hot.
It's hot. It's hot.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Mommy.
Wash your hands.
Oh no. Someone has the money.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow your cake. Yay! Can I have some tea?